Hi friends, welcome to Technic Sensor. This is Gogulji Krishnan from Technic Sensor. Today we will introduce a review about Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is the budget segment smartphone in 2018. It has comes with 4000 mAh battery and 18:9 aspect ratio of display. It also have a standing look with a single camera and fingerprint sensor. We can review about the golden color of Redmi Note 5. The review unit is 64 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, costing 12,000 rupees. It's a very good design by Xiaomi, and it also have dual firing speakers and front camera, and it's look like a good display. Display is the best attraction of this device because its corner has rounded shape, so it will better to view movies in this phone. So its camera is very nice. We can check out the camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. It's look like good. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 comes with Snapdragon 625, so it will more affordable to the gaming. So the gaming will be very efficient in this device. So you can access the game with very fastly. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 comes with Android 7.1.2. It's an Android knockout version, and the MIUI version is Global 9.2 version. It is upgradable. Many of the updates are available in this device.